Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since we've posted any videos.
So you were saying Jamaican women always are a kind of harsh or talking too much or shouting or vigilant. That's another name for it. Talking loud, talking, want to be a man. According to your word, Jamaican woman want to be a man. And wait. And if Jamaican woman is with a man, if the man curse, she want to curse too. If the man shout, she want to shout too. She want to stand up to be equal to the man. Is that not what you said?
Yes, but there's reason though.
Okay.
There's reason.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
You ask me why things never work out with a Jamaican woman and other nationality that you meet, because you see a lot of
most of my friends that I meet at work, most of them have had a Jamaican girlfriend in the past, and now they're having a wife that is not a Jamaican. So I'm asking why none of them was successful marrying that Jamaican woman they had as a girlfriend in the past. So they always have Jamaican girlfriend and it never work out, and then they come to another woman and it works out and they marry and they have children.
Yes.
Why?
But but that's not what you said before. You said, yeah, you think Jamaican women are bad, as in love poly a man.
Yes, they go around a lot.
Yes,
they go around a lot.
That's what you said.
Yes,
yeah?
Not just Jamaican but Caribbean.
That's what you said, yeah. And I'm trying to tell you, no, it don't goes like that. So you said why your friend date so much woman and it don't work out.
So much Jamaicans, most of my friends.
And I said it's all about if who can tolerate them. Okay, because with we Jamaican,
yeah.
If a man talk back, we will talk back. If you spit on us, we will spit back. Yeah. If you want to fight us, we will fight back.
Yeah, that's what you said. Yeah,
and some man cannot tolerate it, while some can't. Which our countryman Jamaican, cannot tolerate it.
They can.
They can.
Okay.
Yeah. Because then we box you down and kick you down.
Okay.
But with your people, like your country people, most Nigerians, they don't want it. So that's why it don't work out with them.
Okay. You know
but it's not every one of us stays so though.
You guys are taking it as culture. Not just Jamaican. Don't get me wrong. Caribbeans are Caribbeans. There is St. Lucians. There is Dominican. There is all Caribbean lifestyle and women. It only works out with Caribbean men that has the same lifestyle too. They see it as normal, you know. But for us, the question I ask you now is this: that time before you turn on the camera, the question I was asking is, okay, if Caribbean women want to stand up to a man, if the man talk, they will talk. If the man curse, they will curse. If the man spit, they will spit. Why, if a Jamaican woman meets a man that is not like that, why are the Jamaican women still like that? Why don't they calm down and stop cursing? Because now the time of war is over. The time of cursing is over. It's a different lifestyle. The man you are with now is from a different background, different society. This man doesn't like trouble. He doesn't like cursing. He's not going to curse you. He doesn't shout on you. He doesn't spit on you. He doesn't want to fight you. Why still Jamaican or Caribbean women still keep on with the cursing and shouting and trying to still be up to the man? That is my question. Why don't they realize now?
And I answer you that question, innit?
You see, it is like if you're sailing in a ship in the sea. There is turbulence. There is violence.
Well, you know what me answer the question.
Answer the question. Let me
I said to you, what we don't like is when we may complain about something. Like you, say for example, you're quiet, you're calm and everything,
Yeah.
And I said, Robert, I don't like this. And you keep on doing the same thing. And
okay.
and I keep on saying it to you. Yes, now, even though you're quiet and calm, that don't mean you're not nag me or you're not do things that I don't like.
Yeah.
Yes, that's going to make me curse. I will curse. Yes, I will curse.
That is where you guys get it wrong.
I will curse because why you not change, why you not fix the problem?
Listen, if you're telling a man not to do something,